Hello friends, this is Eurasian Gold Construction Equipment channel, and today I want to tell you about one of our positions. It's the end of a tifticky. Here, look behind me. This is a product that we made to customer specifications. You know that screws are rather non-standard products that require design intervention. So accordingly, we make them for some tasks, for some directions together with customers, and this auger was manufactured by us on our equipment of GP series, namely the coils. You know that our machines of GP series can produce screws of uniform geometry as well as variable geometry, where the outer and inner diameters are variable, i.e. conical screw coil. And accordingly, this auger coil, sorry, not a coil, but the auger itself, it was also welded on one of our equipment. This is a welding rotator. And now, let's get to this rotator. I will tell you more about its functionality. So friends, we now come to our equipment, which we produce and sell. These are welding rotators. Here are the previous shots where you saw the conical stack I welded exactly on this welding rotator. What is the principle? A round workpiece is placed there. It doesn't matter. It can be an auger. It can be a glider of some kind. We weld hydraulic cylinders on it. It is inserted, laid on a slitway like this, and, accordingly, the rotational speed is given. The welder simply fixes his position with the nozzle. The workpiece rotates, and accordingly, it is welded evenly. What is the advantage? The human factor is completely eliminated, in the sense that the workpiece does not have to be tilted in any way. There is no need to get close to it. The welder has a continuous shock all the time. That is, the hand does not move practically, right? And accordingly, the quality of the output increases, the speed and productivity increases. In general, with this equipment you will eliminate many human factors that welders usually have to deal with. Accordingly, you increase your quality and productivity. So friends, we took a look with you at one of our custom products. This is a conical snack that you can also order from us. Not only conical snacks, but in general any snacks that can simply exist at production facilities. You can send us a typical task, and we work out respectively produce and ship them. And also the equipment in the form of welding rotator, also from us you can buy, for your purposes, if you have an axial welding. And the link in the description will be all the products that I just mentioned. And see you in the next issues.